In the name of God, most compassionate, most merciful, say, I seek refuge in the Lord of Al-Falaq, Al-Falaq 1 asterisk. Naming the surah, it was called Al-Falaq, to open it by mentioning Al-Falaq, which is the morning, asterisk. One of the purposes of the surah, establishing the monotheism of divinity and divinity, by teaching the Prophet and his nation and raising them to adhere to God and seek refuge in him from the evils of his creation, and that he is the one who suffices man from the evil of all evil and protects him from all evil and hate. Asterisk, interpretation. Say, O Messenger, I seek refuge in the Lord of Dawn, which is the dawn, from the evil of what he created, Al-Falaq 2, from the evil and harm of all creatures, and from a sinking evil when it approaches, Al-Falaq 3, and from the evil of a very dark night when it enters and penetrates, and the evils and harms that it contains, and from the evil of blows into the knot, Al-Falaq 4. Among the evils of witches are those who blow the knots they tie with the intention of witchcraft, and from the evil of the envier when he envies, Al-Falaq 5, and from the evil of an envier who hates people, when he envies them for the blessings God has given them, he wants them to be removed from them and to harm them.